Today is the public launch of our company, KAM, which we hope will spur on the fourth industrial revolution. The quality of work we produce is world-class. It's always going to be our top priority here at KAM.
So KAM is in a really unique position in the fact that they're really the first to bring this to the marketplace.
What we have here today at Brad's company is new technology.
This will have quite an effect out there in the industry.
Innovation is all about taking an idea into a final product as quickly as possible and as high quality as possible. And this place hopefully will improve that.
Every time I have the opportunity to talk manufacturing with Brad, I walk away so doggone energized. It's contagious.
Today marks my commitment and our commitment to act with the launch of quality. And there's so much more to come.